Hey guys, right now I want to talk about Plus500 web trading, and this isn't sponsored or anything whatsoever. I've been searching videos on this site just at the beginning to know if it's legit or not, and you get all these people. The only videos you see on the site are just people kind of promoting it and stuff like that, and I just want to give my honest review of the site and kind of tell you what it is, whether you should give it a chance or not. So first off, you make an account, you give away some personal information. Nothing really matters until you actually want to be paid out, or if you're actually depositing money, you probably want your info correct just in case something happens, and then you can prove that yes, you really are this person and whatnot. So also, if you input your correct cell phone and confirm that pin that they send you, they're gonna throw in, I think, 20 or 25 bucks into your account just to play around with, and that's how I got started. And I'm not gonna brag by any means, but I did pretty well with it. And you see that 35 down there in the bottom left, that's actually more like 55 if you just consider raw profit, because what happens is you get that 20 or 25 or whatever, but once you actually make that back, they take it away, and then you start off with whatever profit you made. So you kind of lose that amount, but you get to start off, and it's completely free. So I've made $35 right now without spending a penny. But something you have to keep in mind is they won't pay you via check or bank transfer, like bank wire, unless it's $50 or more. So I still need to do some more investing, try to get some good stocks. If you guys have any ideas right now what to invest in, go ahead and leave a comment down below. It doesn't hurt. And so this is considered forex trading if you go into this category right here. I don't really get the idea behind that term, but basically all I see there is dollar versus dollar. So you're going to see different countries' dollars versus each other and how they do in the market. So I've kind of invested in a few things here. I made some money. Not too bad. But what I like to do is just go to the popular stocks or the USA stocks, companies I know of, and I'll invest. So you see, like, Apple here is almost $600 a stock. The thing is, you don't need that much to actually invest. So I think how this works is you don't actually own the stocks whatsoever. It's just this huge corporation that just buys all these stocks, or it's sort of like a simulation, you can think of it as. You're not actually going to spend $600 to get a share of that company, but as it rises and sinks, you're going to see that fluctuate equally in your money as if you actually did own a share, if that makes sense. And I think that's pretty reasonable, a pretty reasonable way of explaining that. Also, if you look in the top right here, it's pretty cool. Fund your account with at least so and so money and get so and so. So you don't have to actually put in $10,000. I'll refresh the page here, and you'll see a different one. Yeah, so here's 1,000, get $200 bonus, and I'm pretty sure the bonus is going to be the same kind of idea, though. You get to play around with it, but once you make that back in profit, the bonus goes away. You don't actually get to see that, and that is kind of a ripoff when you think about it. It's kind of not a scam, but it's really misleading. So once you actually invest in something, I'll try to. If you go to all commodities, these are things that are open like 24/7. It seems like, at least some of them. So I'd probably want to short oil right now, but I'm not too familiar with shorting, so I'm not gonna actually do that. Natural gas, yeah, sure, I'll buy into it, whatever. Okay, so you see how much you can actually buy in, the value of it, but the required securities is actually how much I'm going to be paying. So I'll click buy on that, and then right here it'll pop up under open position, and you see right off the bat you're going to lose no matter what, because what happens is there's no fee to actually make a transaction like most companies or online trading sites like this. Again, this is more of a simulation. So what they do is they just raise the when your selling rate automatically is higher than or lower than what you bought it for. So you kind of have to make that back, but it's not that much. And it kind of sucks because you can't just sell back right immediately. But then that is an alternative to them actually charging you per transaction. So it is a fair trade-off in my opinion. I think pretty much gone over the site pretty well. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment down below. I'm pretty familiar with the site, so if you have any troubles, comments, or just questions, private message me, leave a comment on the video. Hopefully I'll get back. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.